You're watching the instructions for your ADT Keypad. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your smart home security device for the first time. Let's get started. Unpack your ADT Keypad and make sure you have everything you need from the box. The keypad comes with a stand already attached for easy placement on a desk or table. For wall mounting, you'll need the provided wall mount bracket, screws, and wall anchors, plus some additional tools that aren't included. Be sure to hang on to the release key. You'll need it if you ever have to remove the keypad from the wall. You'll also need the following: a smartphone or tablet, the ADT Plus app, and secure Wi-Fi access. Go ahead and gather what you need. Pause here and we'll pick up right where we left off. Now, log into your ADT Plus app. Make sure your system is disarmed. Tap Menu. Then Devices. Enter the security code if prompted. Tap the plus sign. And select ADT Devices. Tap Security Devices. Then select Keypad. Name your keypad in your ADT Plus app. Pro tip: name it after the location where you plan to use it. You have the option of placing your keypad on a desk or table or mounting it to the wall. With either option, place it where you'll have easy access to arm and disarm the system. For example, near your front door or garage entrance, and where there's a nearby electrical outlet. Let's get started. We'll show you the table placement first. To power and connect your ADT keypad on a desk or table, insert the power cord into the underside of the keypad, and then into the outlet. You'll have 90 seconds to connect the keypad to the ADT base. Once the light ring on the front of the keypad starts blinking blue, tap Connect in the ADT Plus app and follow the in-app prompts to finish setup. If you chose to secure your ADT keypad to the wall, you'll first need to remove the attached keypad stand by twisting the keypad counterclockwise to unlock it, then lifting the keypad off the stand. Next, locate the outlet close to where you'll mount the keypad. Connect the power cord to the keypad and then to the outlet. You'll have 90 seconds to pair the keypad to the base. Once the light ring on the front of the keypad starts blinking blue, tap Connect in the ADT Plus app. You'll get a confirmation screen when the keypad is connected. Now you're ready to secure the keypad in place with the wall mount bracket. Locate the up symbol on the bracket. Position the bracket right side up on the wall and mark the two mounting holes with a pencil. Take the bracket away to drill the pilot holes. Remember to use caution when operating power tools. Then secure the bracket in place using a screwdriver and the provided anchors and screws. Attach your keypad by aligning the blue tab on the wall-mounted bracket with the white line on the side of the keypad. Then press the keypad into the bracket and turn clockwise. When locked, the blue tab will be aligned with the lock icon on the side of your keypad. The following screens in the ADT Plus app provide useful information about the buttons on your keypad. Take a moment to review them, and tap Next when you're finished. Congratulations! You're all set. You can start adding your additional ADT smart home security devices right away. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT smart home security devices and system, or to chat with an agent.